Talk on the Hill here is a picture of us being fish. As you can see, they adore it. They expect more, so that's what I'm going to do.
They're enjoying that, aren't they?
Oh my gosh, this is yummy. Blah 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 blah. I'm gonna see if I can get one of those big. Oh!
Did you just get wet with that?
Yeah.
I did
I'm
as
gonna
well.
see if I can get. Now I'm gonna do a really big handful to see what they do.
And then, Mum,
Yeah.
she's enjoying this. Well,
Feed the fish. Nom 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 nom.
Tally, what are you doing tomorrow?
We're going diving with sharks.
What are you going to do with the sharks?
Feed them. Not feed them. We're gonna go diving with them.
Yeah. You're going to go swimming with the sharks, aren't
Yeah.
you?
Maybe we can take some food from here in a pot.